Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit, who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies.
Good morning, Evergreen family and friends.
Good morning.
The health alert for today is heart disease. It can happen at any age. Heart disease doesn't happen just to older adults. It happens to young adults more and more. This is partly because the condition that leads to heart disease are happening to younger people at an early age. February is Heart Month, the perfect time to learn about your risks for heart disease and the steps you need to take now to help your heart. Heart disease and the condition that leads to it can happen at any age. High rate of obesity, high blood pressure among young people ages 35 to 64 are putting them at risk for heart disease earlier in life. Half of all Americans have at least one of the top 3 risk factors for heart disease: high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking. You could be at risk. Many of the conditions and behaviors that put people at risk for heart disease are appearing at younger ages. 1, high blood pressure. Millions of Americans of all ages have high blood pressure, including millions of people in their ages 40s and 50s. About half of people with high blood pressure don't have it under control. Having uncontrolled high blood pressure is one of the biggest risks for heart disease and other harmful conditions such as a stroke. 2, high blood cholesterol. High cholesterol can increase the risk for heart disease. Having diabetes and obesity, smoking, eating unhealthy food, and not getting enough physical activity can all contribute to unhealthy cholesterol levels. 3, smoking. More than 37 billion United States adults are currently smokers, and thousands of young people start smoking each day. Smoking damages the blood vessels and can cause heart disease. Other conditions and behaviors that affect your heart, your risk for heart disease includes 1, obesity. Carrying extra weight puts stress on the heart. More than 1 in 3 Americans, nearly 1 in 6 children ages 12 to 19 are obesity. 2, diabetes. Diabetes causes sugar to build up in the blood that can damage blood vessels and nerves that help control the heart muscle. Nearly 1 in 10 people in the United States has diabetes. 3, physical inactivity. Staying physically active helps keep the heart and blood vessels healthy. Only 1 in 5 adults meet the physical active guidelines of getting 150 minutes of a week of moderate intense activities. 4th, unhealthy eating patterns. Most Americans, including children, eat too much salt, which increases blood pressure. Replacing food high in salt with fresh fruit and vegetables can help lower blood pressure. But only 1 in 10 adults is getting enough fruit and vegetables each day. Diet high in translated fat, sauteed fat, and added sugar increase the risk for heart disease. Remember, this month, you are in the driver's seat to control your heart.